Amazing, amazing, amazing. This headphones amazing, amazing, amazing. Headphones amazing, amazing, amazing. Amazing.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I've got another video for you, another tech, well, more like this is more of a tech audio video. I'm going to talk about audio today. So not too long ago I decided I needed some new headphones, over-the-head headphones for my laptop. I kind of wanted to edit my videos in peace, listening to the sounds on my headphones. Obviously all my family's here during the COVID time and we're indoors, and most of the time I can't keep playing all the editing that I'm doing, like the videos out loud, and it can be a bit ugh. So I'm looking for some headphones, cheap headphones, budget headphones that will be great and will work well. To be honest, I didn't really think so much about listening to music with it, but then I thought, you know what, if I'm going to buy headphones, I kind of want the whole overall picture. So I thought, yeah, why not? I'll just go and look online, see some reviews. I found some. They had great, amazing reviews. To be fair, there was quite a lot of headphones, like budget headphones, that had great reviews on Amazon, and a few kind of like bestsellers, Amazon's Choice, those sort of headphones. And I thought, okay, which one would I go for? I saw one for £20, the colour that I wanted, which was kind of black and red, and I thought, yeah, that would be great. I'll buy that one. To be honest, I don't remember the brand of the headphones. I think they were called...
A few moments later.
I don't remember the brand of the headphones, so what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to write it up here so y'all understand what I'm talking about, because I really don't remember the name, the brand. It was kind of a weird one. Came the next day, and I'm not gonna lie, it was horrible. It was very cheap. I mean, £20. It was literally the price you bought it for. But I didn't want to keep it because it felt like if I'd used it, it would have been done by like the next month or so, because it was so plasticky. Because it was one of them foldable headphones. Whenever you unfolded it, it kind of like made that sound, that plasticky sound that like it was about to break anytime soon. And they were just new headphones. Also, it did say that it came with a case, but it never did. So, what was that about? So I wasn't really too impressed with that. Therefore, it had to go. I could not keep those headphones. And I decided to buy new ones. Well, this time around I decided I was going to do some more research, and I was going to look more into YouTube as to see what other people have said, what budget headphones they've bought, and stuff like that. And when I went on it, the one that I kept hearing was the Tribit headphones. I mean, they're not so expensive. They were like great. People would compare them to like $300 headphones. So I thought, why not? So I bought it. Yes, I did. I bought it. I bought it the next day. And you know what? It's something that I'm quite looking forward to start using because of the reviews itself. Like, it was one of like, some people even put it in one of their best headphones, and this is mixed in with those headphones like they're like over $300. And I thought, oh, okay, so it's that great, it's that good, the sound is that amazing, why not? And it's a budget headphone, guys. You can buy this on Amazon for like literally £40. It's not so expensive, and it's wireless to make it like even more amazing. So why not? So this is the Tribit XFree tune. It came in this pack. It came today, guys. It came today, and it says that it has up to 40 hours of music playtime. So that's a long time, and charging time is 3 hours to get like to full charge. It says it's comfortable. It's also foldable. I'm just really excited. So the Bluetooth version, it says 4.1. Usually I think the 5 is usually better, but you know, it doesn't really take away anything too much anyway. I'm gonna use this for general use. I wasn't looking for like the most expensive, the bestest of the bestest up there. I was looking for great budget headphones that had amazing reviews and people would compare them to like some more expensive ones. And this is what the one. So let's open it.
5 minutes later.
As soon as you open it, you get the case. This is what you get, like nothing else. There's nothing else in the box. This is what you get. Now, This is a nice case. It seems very durable. It has the brand right there, Tribit, and it's a zip one. It's a hard case as well, which I love. I love hard cases. So once you do open it up, you have just like, I think this is like a manual to it. Yeah, it's a manual to it. And then you get some other stuff with it, more like charity stuff. Okay, so first thing you do, obviously you get the main headphones like right here. And then you get 2 wires. One is the aux cable. This is a 3.5mm cable that is quite long. I believe when I read it, it did say that it's like 1.15 meters. So it's quite long and stuff. This is it. Not so bad, not so bad, not so shabby. And then you obviously get the charger, which is this, the USB, and it's a micro USB. It's quite tiny, but it does the job. Okay, great, and it's all in here. And then you get this, which is the actual headphone. Now, guys, I'm not gonna lie, the feeling is different, way different. It's so padded, it's nicely padded. Oh God, that feels nice. I can't stop doing this. It's really nice. And here as well, at the top, it's nicely padded. This seems like it's going to be real comfortable. So it's black and red. I got the black and red one. They do have another one which is black and grey, and it's extendable as well. And it does not feel flimsy at all. In fact, it doesn't make that ugly sound as well. Like, can you hear it? This is a better sound. If you heard what I heard yesterday, it was horrible. So this is a much better sound. This is where you probably put your aux cable in, and there's some other functions here which I'm gonna have to play with. There's the off button here, like a switch to on and off here, and then the volume button is on the other side. So you kind of have to get used to where the buttons are when you're wearing it, so you know when to switch it off, when to like add volume and reduce the volume. I mean, so far so great. I'm quite impressed actually. There's something else here. I'm not too sure what it is. Okay, so this is where you would charge it. You can kind of like make sure that it's protected as well when you charge it, so no dust will go in it. So that's quite good. So let's wear it. All right. This is so comfortable, guys. I mean, I've got small ears and I think I'm shouting because I feel like I hear nothing, but it's really nice padding. Okay, this is great so far. Now let's listen to some music and see how it actually sounds, because so far the design and everything else just looks great, especially for the amount that I paid for. £40, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna play some music. I'm gonna listen to Garden from Cesar, however you say her name. Let's see how it sounds.
Need you for the old me, need you for my sanity, need you to remind me where I come from. My booty getting bigger even if it ain't. Love me even if it rain, love me even if it pain you. I know I be difficult.
Guys, the sound is so clean. I mean, really clean, clear. It's just beautiful. You can't really control if it's noise cancelling or not, but I can't really hear anything outside of it. Like, I'm actually shouting. I'm still shouting. I feel like I'm shouting right now. I love this. This is good. This is so clean. I would definitely recommend these headphones. Like, they're amazing. They are actually really comfortable. So yes, guys, I would suggest that you definitely do get these headphones if you're looking for some good budget headphones. To be honest, I don't know what's in the market, but I would literally buy this for even more than £40. This is so good. So good. So I'm gonna put the link below where you can get it on Amazon. And yeah, that's all for today. Guys, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Go and check out some of my other videos that I've done before. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye.